Hello, I'm Gemma from Create Studio. I'm so glad to see you here today. I've got a great project idea for you to do at home with your family, and it is making a plastic spinning top out of a CD. CDs are made of plastic, and they are oftentimes not used as frequently as they used to be because people have music streaming services. So you may find yourself a CD at home when you make sure you have parent permission, and then a parent to help if you need, we'll use a glue gun, so you may need help with the glue gun. If you're, I say for our studio, we say if you're at least 7 years old and up, then you can use a hot glue gun if a parent is okay with that. But if you're younger, then it's definitely better for an adult to do it. But this is something that really relies on what works for your home. So we're gonna use a CD, a plastic bottle top like this, and then we're going to use a marble. So marbles are also something hopefully you will have around the house. They oftentimes come with different games and activities, so we'll put those together this way. So we also want to have ourselves a Sharpie marker. I drew on this CD, so I'm going to do a little sample drawing on this other CD, and we will use that example. So we're going to take our CD, and before we do our assembly with the hot glue gun, we can draw on it. So I can draw different designs. When the spinning top is spinning, then it looks different when the drawings are in motion. So you can draw a whole bunch. I'm drawing on the plain side of the CD instead of the side that has a picture. So that the picture side is going to be the bottom of your spinning top. So I'm just going to do some doodly lines in between mine. That's really basic. And then we're going to take our container lid, and you'll want to put some hot glue just around the edge of this rim. So I happen to have a hot glue gun ready that's been used lots and lots of times. And we'll put a little hot glue on the rim. Be careful of your fingers because hot glue is so hot. This is low temperature, but it's still very hot. Then the lid is going to go on the top side, covering the center, the side of the container, the side of the CD that doesn't have the picture but does have your drawing. So that's how it's on there. And then on the bottom side, we're going to put the marble. So I'm going to put hot glue just around this circle right here that's already in the CD, and that's where the marble will rest. So we're just going to do, I like to put it on kind of thicker, and I got to act fast, and I just drop it right in the center. And then let it cool down, and you have a spinning top. They are so fun, and they'll spin for such a long time on a smooth surface that you could almost have a competition to see who's can spin the longest. I hope you like this project idea and have fun making it, and perhaps having games and competitions with it at home. We'll see you next week with another project using plastic materials. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.